Hello guys, my name is Mart and today I'm gonna show you how to build AI agents, how to build automation for automate your LinkedIn posts. Okay, these automations will be very simple, will be very easy to use, very easy to plug on your own system, and I will explain to you detailedly node per node. And don't worry, I will give you the access to the template on the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, nice. So the workflow is like this, yeah. I put the phone trigger. So how it works? So it will automate your LinkedIn post. It will generate the whole content of your LinkedIn, will be generate the caption, and of course will be generate the image. So how it works? First thing first, we will give them the input. So what kind of input? The input is will be very simple. You only need one simple actions. What is that? You have to write the ideas. You only need to input your ideas. Okay, for an example, I want to AI for hospital. Okay, just submit it and we will see the workflow is running. Okay, as you can see here, you can see the timer icon. Okay, so it means this workflow is asking you, is this content will be post or not? Because this is the human in the loop workflow and the content will be approval by email. So let's check our email. Okay. Okay. This is the captions and this is the image. Okay. The image is gonna be like this. It generated by GPT image 1, of course, so the quality is good. If we approve the content, we just click approve and come back to our end, and you can see here's the workflow is running again and posting on your LinkedIn. Okay, done. Let's check our LinkedIn. Okay, we will refresh it. And boom, your content successfully posted. Let's build in your own. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, open your end, and then you can open the template, copy the template, come back to your end, and paste. Okay, so our task right now is just to plug, get your own API key, and then run your workflows. The first API key you need is you have to get ChatGPT API key. Okay, you can zoom, you can click here any ChatGPT nodes. We will choose the image one. Click here, create new credentials, and then open docs. After that, you can scroll down and click here. The first one is log into your OpenAI account or create new account. And then you can log into your own account, or if you doesn't have an account yet, you can sign up. Okay, after you open the OpenAI platforms, the UI is gonna be like this, and you can go to the left and just click API key. Type API key. I mean this. After that, you can bring your cursor to the right, create new secret key. You can give a name and in the creations. This is for an example, okay? Default project and create secret key. You can copy and then go back to your end, and then you can just here's paste and save. And then now you get your API key and your ChatGPT API key has been connected to your NNN. And then you can choose any model here. So you can choose DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3, and GPT Image 1. I will suggest to you, you have to choose GPT Image 1 because this is the best model to generate the image. The second API you have to need is Google API. You have to connect your Google Drive and your Gmail to your NNN. Okay, this is will be simple again. This is will not be that hard. You can open your Google Drive node and then you can click here, create new credentials, and then open Docs. Of course, as always, if you want to integrate it any other apps, you can just open the Docs and then read the documentation. Okay. After that, you can scroll down, and then click here, Google Cloud Console. And then you can log into your Google account. And if you doesn't have the Google account yet, you can sign up first. Okay, I will change my Google account first. Okay. Okay, and the UI is gonna be like this. The looks is gonna be like this. You can bring your cursor to here. You have to create the project first. New projects. New project. Okay, I'm sorry. I will give this project is NNN integrations. You can just click create. We will wait until the project is done. Okay, you can select the projects. Okay, if you can see here NNN integration, it means this project is the project that you have created before. Okay. And then after that, you can click here to navigation menu. You can click here API and services, click enable API and services. We have to remember, are you still remember? We have to connect what? We have to connect G Drive and Gmails, okay? So we click here, G Drive API. Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive API. You can enable. Wow, this is a very, very slow. Okay, it is enabled. Okay, after that you can come back and then you can click search again, Gmail's API. Enable. Okay, Gmail and Google Drive API has been enabled. After that, you can click here, credential, create credentials, and choose the second one, or out client ID. Consent screen. Okay, I'm sorry. You have to configure consent screen. You have to go to the branding first. Okay, let's get started. This is will not that hard. You can give the integrations name. Use support email. Use your email, of course. This is gonna be internal audience. I mean external audience. Contact informations, it's same. Next and finish. Create. Okay, out configuration created. Okay, very nice, very nice. You can come back to navigation menu, API enable, API and services. You can click credential, and then you can create new credential or out client ID, and then click here's application type. You choose web applications, give the name, and then authorize JavaScript origins. You can let it empty and authorize the redirect URL. You have to come back to your NNN, copy this, come back to your Google Console, and then auto-rest create. Okay, very nice. This is your client ID and this is your client secret. You can copy the client ID, come back again, and then copy your client ID, and then okay first. But this is not done yet. You have to put your email to testing, okay? Test user, I mean. So how's the way? How's the method? You can click yours again and then click API and services, click credentials, and then you can click here the action edit or out client. Go to the audience, scroll down and test users. And here you can type your Gmail. Click save. Oh, what the hell? Oh, user information. Okay, it's edit. I'm sorry. So you can come back to your NNN and save and sign up with Google. Okay, you can log in, click close, and then congratulations. Now your G Drive has been connected to your NNN, and don't forget you have to connect the Gmail too. And don't worry, you can see here. This is the same credentials, so you only need to copy in the client secret. Will be very easy. Okay, come back to your NNN, come back to your Google Console, click clients, edit, client ID, copy, come back to your NNN, paste, and then copy your client secret too, and save Gmail account tree, and next. Checklist all of this agreement and then your Gmail has been connected to. Okay, let's go to the last API that we have to connect. Last API that we have to connect is LinkedIn API. So how to get LinkedIn API? So will be simple too. You can double click the LinkedIn node. Of course, you can create new credentials. And like as usually, you can open documentations. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We will connect the API using standard, okay, not community management. So you can skip this method. We're using this using or out too. Okay, just click here. And then you have to give the name of your applications. For me, I'm gonna give the task. So if you doesn't have the LinkedIn page, you can use any LinkedIn page randomly. Okay, I'm gonna use this. You have to add the logo too. Don't worry, this is just the logo. You can upload the random image actually. So create an app. Okay, after that you can go to the products and then request access. See, share only in. You have to checklist the share only in request access. And this sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. Request access. Okay, you can go to the setting tabs, scroll down, you can, here's all out. Okay, very nice. You can click here, add redirect URL, come back to your NNN, copy your all out redirect URL, paste here, updated. And then this is the client secret, and this is the client ID. You have to copy them to the NNN. This is the client ID, and this is the client secret. Okay, after that, you can off the two of them, organization support and legacy, off of them. Click save and then connect my account. Okay, just allow it and connection successful. Congratulations, now your LinkedIn has been connected with your NNN. Okay guys, the workflow is done. If you have any questions, you can ask for me. If you have any issue facing any errors, you can email me or DM me. And if you like the video like this, you can smash the like and smash the subscribe, okay? Thank you very much. I am Mark. Goodbye.